channel. My name is Favor. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for coming here today. Please click the subscribe button so you can join the fam, and also hit the notification bell down below so you know when I post a new video, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys you guys are amazing, okay? Thank you for always coming here when I post new videos. I am just thinking about the feedback, the love, the support that you guys showed on my last video, and I really do appreciate you guys, okay? So I just want to quickly address the Team Praise gang. You guys you guys are not loyal at all, and I don't even know what to do with you guys. But anyways, thank you so much, okay? I really appreciate you guys, and I'm forgiving all of you, okay? Like, yeah, I'm forgiving you guys. Anyways, you guys, as you can see, like, are you not feeling this look? Like so I had to do proper makeup. Well, I know it's still not super professional, but you guys, I tried. Like, just tell me. I know I look fine, guys. Just say it in the comment section. Like, I look good. Just tell me now. I know. You guys. I know I look good, so tell me. See, I cannot fall you guys hand the second time, so I had to, no, you guys. Anyways, I had to redeem myself today, so we are not having white eyebrows like the other video, okay? No, none of that's gonna happen. So for today's video, I came across a post, and I just thought it was a very nice conversation that we could have on this channel, okay? So of course I brought it over here for us to discuss. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this, and I just really want to know what you guys think, okay? So please feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section down below, okay? So it was pretty much a post that said, if you're a man and you can't cook, who's gonna marry you? And I actually found that so interesting because, like, over time, a lot of people have been saying or claiming that it was the woman's, job or role to do all the cooking and all of that good stuff, okay? But I'm not even here to talk about this from the feminist perspective or from the perspective of marriage. Like, no. See, when it comes to marriage, at the end of the day, you need to do what works for you and your spouse, and yeah, just don't follow the media, okay? I've told you guys, on our packaging, okay? The media shows you what they want you to see. No one actually tells you what goes down in their relationship, so you need to learn to do you, and you need to learn to do what works for your relationship, okay? But anyways, that's not the topic for today. I just found it very interesting that a lady would actually say something like this. Not that it's bad, but it wasn't something that people used to do, so it's just interesting that people have started coming out to talk about things like this. I'm gonna be addressing this from a very general perspective, okay? The thing is, I feel like cooking is a survival skill, so I don't feel like it should be left to one gender to do. Like, it shouldn't be a boy thing or a girl thing. Everybody eats, so why can't we all cook? I know that there are so many people that don't know how to cook, and that's okay. Like, it's not the end of the world, and it's not too late for you to start. You can start by boiling water, boiling rice, making noodles and all of that. But yeah, you should learn how to cook. It's not that bad. I mean, thinking about it now, I know people that don't know how to cook, and I'm not saying that, it's good or it's bad, but my point is, these days, technology has made things, so easy for us, okay? I cannot imagine that people actually used stones to blend. See, I can't do that thing. Like, it is work, and I don't know how it worked out, but now we have blenders, and those are lifesavers, okay? Like, you can easily blend what you need to blend, and you're good. You don't have to worry about a stone and, doing the whole process. Like, nah, no one wants to be doing that. But yeah, back to the whole technology point. A lot of us have access to the internet. Most of us have phones, laptops, tablets, iPads, TVs, whatever. My point is, we have access to the internet. I mean, you wouldn't be watching this video if you don't have access to the internet, right? So we all have access to the internet, and I just feel like we should use it wisely, and we should use it for things that are actually needed, okay? So if you're one of those people that don't know how to cook, like I said, it's not too late, okay? There are recipes online, and a lot of people show you the step-by-step process that you need to follow to achieve a certain meal, And I feel like that is so helpful. Like, it wasn't available before, but literally anything you need or anything you want is on the internet these days. And I just think that that is really, really cool. Okay, so if you don't know how to cook, or you're in that category of people that don't know how to cook, the internet is your friend. Okay, just go on there, go on YouTube, even just Google, okay, and Google whatever you're looking for, and you would find it. Okay, and try it out. I really want to encourage you to cook and take out time to learn. It is not the end of the world if you cook and it doesn't work out as planned. You guys know I love to cook, but that doesn't mean I'm perfect. I have made so many mistakes. Okay, there are times that I have made a meal and that meal is not conducive for a human being to eat, and of course it goes in the garbage, right? But my point is, you cannot give up. So if you try making something and it doesn't work out that first time you try it out, please try it again. Okay, it shouldn't be the end. No one is perfect, and a lot of times practice makes perfect. Okay, so you need to practice. Try it out a few other times, and hopefully you get better. I know that there are some people that you just do magic together and it works out. Please, I've not gotten to that stage, and I hope I do, because life will be easier. Okay, but the thing is, we are not perfect. Okay, I am still learning. I still try out new recipes. I still try out new things. Like I said, cooking is a survival skill, so please, let's learn how to cook. The other thing is that as parents, or as people who aspire to be parents someday, let's not leave the focus on cooking to just the girl child. We all eat and we all need food to survive. So as you're teaching your girl child how to cook, please teach your boy child as well. Don't leave it to just the girl child to do all the cooking and all of that, because guess what? Your boy child eats as well, right? He needs food. Okay. The other part that I found really annoying was where you would hear two men or two guys having a conversation, and one guy is talking about how he hasn't eaten or how he doesn't know how to cook, and the response from the other person is to go and get married. Like, I don't understand. How is that even a reply? So what's gonna happen between the time where you're single and when you actually get married? Like, if you're gonna be single, like, when I mean single, I mean most people are single until they get married, right? But like, most people prefer not to live with their parents, once they get to a certain age. So if you're living on your own for say 10 years, what's gonna happen in that 10 years? Are you gonna starve, or are you gonna die? Please learn how to cook. Okay, don't leave it to just your wife, or just leave it to just one gender. At the end of the day, even if your wife is going to be doing all the cooking, it's nice to help out every once in a while. Okay, so my point is, cooking is a survival skill and it shouldn't be left to just one gender. Okay, everybody eats and everybody should know how to cook. Again, if you don't know how to cook, Google is your friend. Just search for whatever you want to learn how to make and try it out. Okay, don't be discouraged if you try it out and it doesn't work that first time. Try it out again and it will probably work. Okay, the more you practice, the better you get. So don't give up. Okay, I would like to know what you guys think about this. Please leave your thoughts or your experiences in the comment section down below. I really want to know what you guys have to say about this. Anyway, just wanted to quickly update you guys on what is going to be happening. If you've been following me from day one, you know that I had announced that we will be having 2 videos a week for the month of July, and yeah, July is coming to an end. As at the time I'm making this video, it might be over when this video goes up, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, the month of July is coming to an end and we will be going back to our 1 video a week schedule, but you can expect bonus videos every once in a while, so yeah, just keep an eye out for all those bonus videos. Okay, another thing I wanted to say is that if you have specific video ideas or topics you want me to address, you can definitely send me a DM or an email, or you can just drop in the comment section down below. That way I will be able to see what you want me to talk about, and hopefully I would address it as soon as possible. Okay, I mean, if it's something that I can do. If it's something I can't do, I'll probably let you know. Okay. So if you have video ideas, you can always let me know. It's our channel, so I want to be able to bring content that you guys enjoy and content that you guys learn from. It's my desire that we learn on this channel, and I am either entertaining you guys or I'm bringing something for you guys to learn. So please definitely let me know what you want me to be addressing on this channel, and that's pretty much what I had to say. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you still haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video, but until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.